Okay, guys, let's take a look here at Bitcoin. Um, it's working its way into a bit of a 10-minute apex. Price has been extremely weak recently. Bit of a bullish divergence forming on the chart, as you can see. Now, it's not the best bullish divergence ever because it's in a bearish cluster, but it may give some result and some bounce back up. What I want to really talk about here in this video is the potential of having a green week next week. Can we bounce right back up? I mean, if we look back, for example, um, here, right, we had a huge bad rejection, or actually there as well, but there was more downside, and more actually looking at this candle. If you look at that candle right here, this big large red candle, um, the world was falling, and this was so bearish because the trend had sort of topped out. There was burning billions of tether. This was a bullish candle that got completely negated, implying that price should roll over and go lower. What happened was we opened up on a new week and actually bounced and bounced really hard at that, back up to test the highs. Um, a 30% bounce in Bitcoin is huge, and also huge for the altcoins. Now, can we open up on Monday and do the same? Now, I know that was a 30% bounce, but even if we bounce back up here to test sort of resistance, we'll even just do it there, an 8% bounce on Bitcoin. These altcoins could bounce 100%, right? Comp, for example, this is just on my screen. I'm not picking any out, but maybe not 100%. Maybe I exaggerated on that, but they could get bounces back up into um, sort of fib levels, right? They possibly have bottomed here already, and even bounces back up to a 38% retrace, right? It's very normal to get something like that. So we need to be on guard here and be prepared in case this bounce is going to come. Like Sushi here, obviously, the short-term low is in and it's just bounced over 120%. Ren, well, actually, not Ren, EOS is another one. These could all bounce EGLD. And I actually like BAL here as well for a bit of a bounce. So what I'm saying is, if the weekly candles turn green on these alts and Bitcoin, we can try and buy this to the upside.